WeatherTech SillProtector is made to protect your vehicle's door sills from damage. With your purchase, you should have received sill protectors and alcohol pads. You will also need masking tape. Start by thoroughly washing and drying your vehicle's door sills. Place sill protector on your door sill for a trial fit, and use the character lines of your door sill to match with the sill protector. Then, while holding sill protector in place, outline the edges with masking tape. Remove sill protector and clean the installation area with a provided alcohol pad. Let it dry completely. Next, partially peel back the adhesive liners on the underside of the sill protector to create pull tabs. Carefully place the sill protector into position within the masking tape lines and remove the masking tape. Then, carefully remove the adhesive liners by gently pulling the tabs while applying light, even pressure with your other hand. Using the palm of your hand, apply additional pressure from the center out along all of the adhesive-lined edges to ensure proper adhesion. Repeat the process on the remaining door sills of your vehicle, and your WeatherTech sill protectors are now installed.